Yo guys, it's Josh back with another video. It's been a while. As you can tell, this isn't my usual space. I'm somewhere else. Today I'm thinking I'm just gonna do some design quizzes. You know, just found some quizzes online because I'm a graphic designer. That's what I'm mainly gonna focus this channel on. Kind of veer in that sort of direction. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, so we're doing this quiz first, which is this quiz will tell you what your design identity is. Let's go. Decorating your home, apartment, McMansion. Identifying your design aesthetic is the first step. Right, number one, pick a bedroom. All right, what would I go for? Okay, definitely not this one. That just looks too old-fashioned. This one looks okay. Again, a bit old-fashioned. It's got to be between these two. I think I like this one more because, I don't know, the curtains aren't really doing it for me. Let's see. Favorite accent piece. Okay, it's between, straight away, it's between this and then this coffee table looks quite slick as well. I don't know. I'm liking the woods, the contrast between brown and the grey oak. Let's go with that. What is your favorite place to shop for furniture? What do I usually do when I get furniture? It's usually online. Okay, it's not, well, I don't know. You could find some nice stuff in antique stores. So, furniture stores, pretty standard. Online or estate sales. I think online. I prefer online. I'm just going with what I've used the most at the moment. I think online is what I prefer. Which wallpaper? Let's go. So you got Martinique sheet, bright and bold, classic and cute, neutrals or GTF. I mean, if you've seen my recent video of my redesigned room, you'll know that I chose like a geometric art. So I like stuff that's a bit, you know, a bit artsy now. Bit out there. It doesn't really fall on the Martinique sheet. I think it's more bright and bold. I do like neutrals, but I like accents as well. So I think I'm gonna go bright and bold. Pick a chair. Definitely not this one here. Just for the aesthetic alone, I'm gonna go with this one here. Just because it looks nice with the grey. Do you like colour? Love it, like it, hate it, or not sure? I like colour. I don't love it in the sense that it has to be like in everything, but when used correctly, it's good. Which side table? No. Looks cool, and no. I think I'm gonna go with this one just to change it up because this one looks a bit too basic. This one looks a bit fancy. Pick a throw pillow for arrangement. Ooh. Yeah, I was gonna say this is more interior design rather than like graphic design. A throw pillow. Just for the color choice alone, I'm gonna choose this one. If you see in my room, grey and yellow is a good combination. Which living room? Right, pink carpet, no. This one looks cool. Not a fan of the sofas. Where are the sofas in this? I can't even see. Very modern. And then you got this one, which is a bit of both. I'm gonna have to choose a modern one. How about a kitchen? Okay, definitely not this one. That color is atrocious. This one's cool. It's a bit too white though. It's between these two. I think I'm going for this one. I like the lights. So this could tell you what your design identity is. You are a glamazon. Okay, you love classic glamour. You're not afraid of color. True. And know how to mix it into your space perfectly. Also true. The primary design inspiration is probably the Beverly Hills Hotel. Haven't been to the Beverly Hills Hotel, but I'm sure I'd like it there very much. Alright, let's find another one. It's called Which Design Aesthetic Are You? You know you've got the style by the boatloads, but what does that even mean? Let's go. Alright, number one, pick a pattern. Again, it's more interior design focused, but we'll take it. Right, this is really interesting because I like all of them for different reasons. As in like they'd all suit some way, if that makes sense. Just for this one alone, I like this one here just because of the color and the shapes. It's a bit different. It's nice. Which TV heroine do you mostly relate to? What's this got to do with design? I'm just gonna go with the one I know, Gillian Anderson. What color is your soul? I'll be honest, I'd say it's more of a khaki at the moment. Pick an iconic 90s album cover. Only one I know from this list is probably these two here. I'm gonna go with Blur. If you died and were reincarnated, what plant would you come back as? What are these questions? This has got nothing to do with design. I'm just gonna choose this one. Just because it looks cool. How would you like your eggs? This has got nothing to do with design. How do I like my eggs personally? I like them fried. So the only fried egg seems to be this one here. This one, yeah, that's not fried. Yeah, this one. Where would you put that tattoo? I have thought about getting a tattoo before. I don't actually want one now, but you know, if I had to in the future. Where would I want a tattoo? Your shoulder blade is quite cool. Let's see one of these. Let's go with this one here. You have 10 minutes to buy. No. You have 10 minutes at IKEA. What do you buy? Food. 10 minutes at IKEA. I would probably get a cushion or a lampshade. Or storage, actually. Knowing me, I'd probably get storage. I can't lie. What Subway Which topping could you not live without? Hot sauce or sriracha sauce, whichever one. What is your personal motto? I can't see all of them because it's weirdly cropped. Collect moments, not things. I think that says it takes a lot of work to figure out how to look so good. I don't know if that's what it says. May I be excused, my brain is full. People who love to eat are always the best people. True. People disappoint, pizza's eternal. You can't be sad when you're holding a cupcake. That is very true. I'm in love with cities I've never been to and people I've never met. I mean, they're all nice things. The ones that resonate with me most at the moment are collect moments, not things. And I'm in love with cities I've never been to and people I've never met. Because over the past year, that's what I felt like I've liked. I guess this quote falls under collect moments, not things. So I'm gonna click that one. So what design aesthetic are you? A hybrid of Martha Stewart and a basic Gap sweatshirt. Okay, wait. Let's see if this is true. You have a very refined and classic taste. Okay. Then others think of you as iconic in your simplicity and comforting in your dependability. You know what you like, and that rarely includes frivolous details or garish colors. You know what? I'll take it because I'm just thinking like how I've dressed over like the past year. Sounds pretty accurate. So yeah. All right, you got this final one here. I don't know, I just saw it. I was like, how hard can this be? But it says only the sharpest eyes can ace this line weight quiz. Graphic designer, past 7 years. Let's go. Which shape has the thickest outline? Or this one? Oh, you choose the color. Yellow. Which line is the thinnest? I think it's pink. Because like from just looking at it, it looks like the pink one. Correct, let's go. Which shape has the thickest outline? Again, I think it is yellow or pink. I think it's yellow. Correct. Which shape has the thickest outline? It's not pink. No, wait. Oh, the thickest, yeah, pink. Jeez. 4 out of 4 at the moment. Which shape has the thickest outline? The thickest. Okay, this is a bit tricky. It's not yellow. I'd say it's pink, only barely. Yes. Okay, which line is the thinnest? This is, nah. They look the same, bro. Okay, I think it's blue from zooming in. Oh, let's go. Which shape has the thickest outline? Zoom in a bit. Pink. How many is that? Is that 8 out of 8? Oh, no. Well, 7 out of 7. Thinnest outline. That's instinct. I think it's blue. Let's go. 8 out of 8. Wait, how many are there? Okay, this is the last one. Let's see if we can get 9 out of 9. The thickest outline. I think it's blue. Let's go. You scored better than 100% of all our quiz takers. Guys, graphic design, it's all in here. Let's go. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the quizzes. And yeah, see you around for more videos. Take care. See you guys.